Okay, let's see if I can give you guys a belly shot. Oh, okay. So here is the belly shot. 26 weeks and 2 days. Ba-boom! Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, my name is Alexis Jayda and welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a pregnancy update slash what Fambam has sent me to my P.O Box. So I am currently 26 weeks. It's so cool. 26 weeks and 2 days. 2 days. I am so excited. Nina is moving so much. I love it. I feel her all the time, and it's not even like the baby kicks, it's like boom boom kicks. She has only kicked 3 people: my husband, her sister Haileys, and my friend Marisela. She kicked her. I visited my good friend Marisela. If you guys do not follow her, you guys definitely should. She is currently in the hospital with her son right now. I will leave her video down below. Please go show her some love, you guys. She's very close to me. I love her so much. And okay, I did not mean to cry. Go show her some love. She's going go show her some love. I will leave her video down below. Just go show her some love and support. Okay, so the baby kicked Marisellas. We went to go visit her. I didn't feel my baby kick, okay? I woke up and I was even telling Rudy, I was like, it's just one of those things where you don't want to say, but I tell Rudy everything, and I was like, babe, like, I woke up and like, I don't feel pregnant. And I got scared because I didn't feel the baby kick or anything. I called the doctor. The doctor says, you know what, Alexis, just relax. Sometimes, you know, the babies are not always in a kick. Drink some orange juice, you know, just the regular stuff. I drank something sweet. I still didn't feel her kick. So I was getting kind of nervous. The doctor said she wouldn't be able to see me till the next day, that she just thinks I'm being paranoid. So I'm like, okay. So I go visit my friend Marisela. The whole way up there, I don't feel the baby kick, okay? It's around like 6 p.m. I don't feel her kick. And I'm like, something is going on. I don't feel pregnant. Like, all of a sudden, I was just like, oh, I don't feel pregnant. I feel like not skinny, but I didn't feel like my hard soccer ball in my panza. Started getting scared, and so we go and visit Marisela. I'm sitting right next to her, and I just feel my baby just get super hard, and the baby was over here on this side, Kate, and she just like moves over to this side. And so I'm like smiling, getting happy because like I can feel her moving, and I'm like, yes, maybe she was sleeping. So I feel her move over, and then Marisela sees me touch my panza because I'm like happy, because I'm like, oh, my Nina's moving. And she's like, oh, is the baby kicking? And she just puts 2 fingers. She doesn't even put her whole hand. She puts 2 fingers on my panza, and she felt the baby kick, and it was a good one. And I was just like, I wish I was recording, but yeah. So I wanted to give you guys a little update on that, because I was just like, oh, it was just one of those moments where you get really, really scared. And I have anxiety, you guys. Anxiety has been difficult a lot with this pregnancy because I get triggered. I hate using the word triggered, but I get triggered easily because I think so much in my head, and I let that get the best of me at times, and I'm just like constantly fighting with myself. No one is going to critique you or hurt your feelings like your freaking mind, like your damn self, okay? Nobody. I want to share that with you. Then I kicked, so I was like, oh, she does that at times where I'll like go almost all day without feeling her kick, and then boom, out of nowhere, she's just like doing tricks in there, she's dancing, she's having a party, and I can feel like all her kicks, and I'm like, oh, yes. So when she kicks a lot, I don't even complain, where I'm just like sometimes she keeps me up, like, or I wake up and like while I'm taking a nap, and I'm like, dang, girl's going at it. But I know when she's here, I'm going to miss that feeling. It's the best feeling in the world, feeling your baby kick. It is just so beautiful. I love it. I love it. I'm out of breath a lot too. Like, girl, it's not even a joke. It's just breathing. I can't. So yeah, so 3 people have felt, and then that kick, I can't wait till my boys can feel the baby kick. Every time, like, she's kicking, and I'm like, okay, feel. She like stops kicking. I don't know if it's because she already has a little attitude or what, or she just got tired. But yeah, even Eileen hasn't felt her kick yet, and I want Eileen to feel her kick, and I'm just like, oh. So patience. But yeah, so far 3 people. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm so excited. I love being pregnant. Even though I'm hurting, I love being pregnant. I'm hurting a lot. Oh, hold on, let me get positioned. Oh, even talking about it. Hold on. I'm hurting a lot down in my vagina area, okay? Hurting a lot. The baby feels like she is right there. Like, and she is. So when I went to the doctors, because I was having a lot of pain where it was so hard to even move like a little bit or even turn over in the bed. I just feel this sharp pain up my back where it feels like I have a Charlie horse on my ass cheek and like my calf area. It's so painful. So I went to the doctor. Doctor was like, hey, let's get you in right away, because having pelvic pain like that, she doesn't know if the baby's coming early or what's going on. So we did an ultrasound and she was telling me and stuff like, okay, baby shouldn't have her head down there yet. Not yet. It's not impossible, but if it is, okay. But if it's not, we're just trying to figure out why I'm hurting, okay? So check me, and baby already has her head down. So I'm like, oh. So she's like, oh, your body, you don't even have to worry about like, you know, baby not turning or anything. Like, she's already ready. So I'm like, great. So maybe that's why it hurts so much. And she was saying that the baby is on one of my nerves in my panza. Like, I don't know how to, like, there's like a correct term to like explain it, but basically she's like, it's like, she was explaining to me like kind of like when someone grabs your arm and it's like pinched there and it's kind of like hurts and you can't like move it a certain way. So that's why my back hurts so much in my pelvic area. So I'm like, oh. Basically she told me that I was gonna have to have bed rest, like bed rest, bed rest, bed rest. She told me that from the beginning as well, like bed rest, but now it's just like, no, for real, like it has to be longer, not do as much, like go up and down stairs. We have 3 levels of stairs. So she's telling me like you need to take it easy, because once it's time for baby to come, like you have to run. So I'm like, okay, great. I'm not dilated or anything, but it's just one of those things where I just gotta be very, very careful. And that's why I'm in a lot of pain. So I'm like, oh, I don't know how to explain it to you guys. It's kind of like really bad cramping, where with my other pregnancies, I did hurt like this, but towards the end of my pregnancy, like 9-month mark, walking, it hurts. And it's just like, oh. And one of the Fambam, you guys are telling me to wear like my sneakers and stuff, to not wear sandals, especially because I have one leg that's longer than the other. That's what's causing the back pain as well. So I've been wearing my sneakers and stuff, putting an extra sock in there to kind of give me that little lift, and it's been helping too. So I just gotta really take care of myself. So yeah, and I can't exercise. So I'm just like, okay. I really wanted to be like those moms that I follow. I still follow the moms and I give them likes and I comment on them and I'm like rooting them on. They're like lifting and like doing all these squats and like running, and they're pregnant. I'm like getting tired for them, like just talking about it. But I'm just like, oh, I envy you guys. But once baby's here, I'm gonna get right back on it. Me and baby already got plans. So I'm like, and I've only gained like around, what is it, like 10 pounds? I think around like 10 pounds with this pregnancy. So I'm like really happy because I'm like, okay, it's really good. So the pelvic pain, oh, and heartburn, oh my god. Heartburn is crazy. But then también I eat like pizza and stuff. So it's like, bitch, why are you complaining? But it's hard. Oh, and thank you guys so much for telling me that the heartburn pills that I was taking it's what's getting me constipated. So like me over there como pinche pendeja over there freaking like taking them and stuff, and that's why I'm like clogged up. So I'm like, duh. But recently the babe got some jackfruit. Okay, I was clogged up, okay? I was pretty like backed up. So I had some jackfruit without even knowing like all the good benefits and stuff. Like the babe was talking to me about it, but I'm like, okay, that cleaned me out. And I didn't even have a lot. It just cleaned me out, and I was on the toilet and I felt like, oh, so happy. I don't know if you guys have ever been constipated. No, like really, really constipated, where you're sitting there pushing and nothing comes out, and then you're going on your day and you just feel like there's a freaking stick up your ass. Like if you've ever had that kind of level of constipation, you feel my pain. So when I had the jackfruit, I was like, yes, really happy because I went. So I was like, yeah. And the doctor is going to be prescribing me something else besides the heartburn pills. So I'm excited about that because I don't want to be constipated for, I got until October. But I have a feeling she's going to come sooner. So if she comes on the 23rd, exactly on the 23rd mark, she'll be a Scorpio. If she comes before the 23rd, she'll be, I believe it's a Libra? Yeah, a Libra. Yeah, she'll be a Libra. So it's kind of like, I don't know. You guys let me know. Do you guys think she's coming 23rd or sooner than 23rd? So a few of you have been asking me to create like a registry online, Target or Walmart, so I will be doing that very, very soon. You guys do not have to send anything, but for the ones who do, thank you so much. That is so sweet of you guys. You guys are amazing. It's just like, it's just so cool. But don't feel obligated to. Please don't feel obligated to send me anything or to purchase anything for the baby. If you want to do it, thank you so much. If you don't, it's fine. Thank you. Okay, so a few of the Fambam have sent me some packages. So this one, the first one is from Hailey. I'm just gonna play it safe and just say the first name. So this one is from Hailey. Thank you so much. Hey Alexis, I crocheted this baby blanket for your baby girl. Thank you. I make these for everyone in my family who's expecting it. Since I am a Fambam member, I figured I'd make you one. Thank you. Absolutely love your videos. Watching for years. I'm a certified makeup artist and want to start YouTube videos, but I don't feel confident. Girl, you better do it. Anyways, I hope you enjoy this blanket. Congrats. Make sure you hand wash only, but you can put it in the dryer. Love, Hailey. My Instagram is Hailey, and I'll leave her information down below if you guys want to say thank you for me too. P.S. Here are some Native American beaded earrings as well. Here is the baby blanket that she crocheted. It feels super duper soft. Thank you so much. That is so sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. This was stitched with love. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so this one is opened, but I did not look inside, okay? So this one is from Valen. So Valen sent me this package. And, oh, you guys, sorry, I have to get positioned. And this is a theme sticker. It's a baby girl, so thank you. I'm gonna put it in my planner. I like stuff like this, you guys. Like, I really do. I like stuff where it's like, I love everything. Okay, so here is the letter. Oh, baby. Queen, hope you're doing good with your pregnancy. Can't wait to see the pics of the baby girl. Here are some goodies I got for the baby. Hope you really like them. It's not much, but came from the heart. That's all that matters. Really wish I could be there on your arrives, but due to circumstances, I can't. Wish you and your family the very best. Hopefully, I can experience motherhood soon. You will. I love you, beautiful. I love you también. Hope to see you soon. By the way, my little sister brother picked out the dress. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so let's open. This is so cute. Look at this, you guys. Look. Oh. And you just get to dress the baby. Oh, I can't wait to take pictures. A crocheted crown and diaper cover. The crown is adorable. Thank you. Oh, I can't wait. Look. Look. That is so cute. Oh, I'm so excited. And then there's this one, Minnie Mouse onesie. This one where it says, sorry boys, daddy says I can't date until I'm 30. Look, it's the blue one. Oh, that's so cute. I love teal. I love teal. This one where it says, new girl in town. Mira, that's so cute. I love it. Aw, she sent me shirts. Bun in the oven. Look. Oh my gosh. Yes. So now I can, I've been wearing those. No, I have three. I have the mini me, I have a tank top, the mini me shirt, and then I have one that says Preggers, so thanks girl. So now I have a new one, so I'm pretty sure my brothers are gonna be happy that I don't look like a picture. Oh, there's another one. Happiness is on the way, Mira, that's so cute. Look, two little handprints. This one, this is so cute. Look, I can't wait. I can't wait till she's here. I can't wait to smell her. I can't wait to smell baby smell. Oh, I can't wait to smell her. And look at this one. This is so cute. Roses, and it has like the cheetah print. And then she sent me some red cherry lashes, number 70. Thank you so much. They're so sweet. Thank you. And then she also sent me the My Baby's print, create a lasting keepsake of your baby's hand and foot. I'll definitely be doing this and putting it on the vlog. Thank you so much, Belen, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you. Next item I got is from Haileys Creations. It's a cute, oh, little Miss Sass pants. That is so cute. Can you guys see? Thank you so much, Hailey. Okay, so those are all the amazing goodies that I got from the Fambam. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I hope you guys enjoyed this pregnancy update. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and show some love down below in the comment section. If you're expecting, what is something that's going on in your pregnancy that you want to share? I love that a lot of the Fambam is pregnant with me, because you guys just get me. Like when I post something on Snapchat, some of you guys are like, oh, I'm going through that right now, or you guys already have been through it and you're like, oh, do this. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next pregnancy update. Quiero mucho. Besos a todos. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.